How are we doing, everybody? I'm Dave, one half of Shenanigans with D&D, and I'm here with an unboxing, which is also an early birthday gift from my wife and my kids. So it's Corkcicle, and I'm pretty excited. I know the box because DevPc, you have one of these, and when I saw you had one and watched you talking about it, I really wanted one. So I mentioned it, and my wife went ahead and did it. So thank you, Dev. Oh, yeah, right. So it is. It's exactly what he's got. So it's the same exact thing. It's got the pouch for it. It's got another zipper for your phone or whatever else you might want. Oh, there's more. Oh, here it is. Yeah, stay cool. So, here it is. How does this work? Let's see, I don't want to break it. We got a little D-ring. 25 hours cold and 12 hours hot. I hope you guys can see that. It's pretty nice. Some folding straw. Ooh, flip up drinking straw. There it is. Oh, nice. And yeah, so that will slide down in there. Then you can tighten it. Really what I wanted was a fanny pack. My wife said that I couldn't have one.
Yeah, none of that.
So, now I got this instead. So this is going to be awesome. And just in time, because we have a trip coming up at the end of the year. So I'm pretty pumped about this. Wear it just like that. Obviously I'll have to adjust it to fit my body a little bit better, but I'm excited about this. Put my wallet, my phone and everything in here. And I might not even have to carry a backpack. But, so, Corkcicle, it's going to be great. I can't wait. Guys, remember, keep up the shenanigans. I'm Dave. Have a good one.